Hi everybody, Mr. Rubo here, continuing on with 1.5 and polynomials. So we're now going to talk real quick about polynomial inequalities. So just a quick reminder, when we write f of x, we are referring to the y values, right? Those output values on the graph. So if we have a polynomial inequality, here it says f of x is greater than 0, means we are looking for where f of x is above the x-axis, because above the x-axis means those y values are greater than 0, which then in turn means that if we are looking for less than 0, we are looking for below the x-axis. Okay, so if we use this graph, we're going to first just real quick find our x-intercepts, because that's what we care about when it comes for the other two questions with the inequalities. So f of x equals 0, there's 3 of them in this one. We have it at x equals -3, we have x equals -1, and we have x equals 3. Let me fix that 3 real quick. There we go. Because of those 3 points right there. Okay, so now for f of x is greater than 0. Well, greater than 0 again means we got to be above the x-axis. So this greater than 0 is that part that's highlighted. But we only care about the graph, right? We don't care about anything else, which is this section and then this section. So we are saying where means the x values. Okay, so the x values that this occurs, well, if you look, it starts at -3 and goes to -1. Okay, and because it's not or equal to, you're going to use parentheses. Okay, that's for that first section. The second section, so we have a second answer, so I'm going to put that union symbol. It starts at 3, and again, we don't include it because it's greater than, not greater than or equal to, and then it just goes on forever because this graph does go to the edge, so we assume it just keeps going. And that would be our answer for this one. And then, let me switch colors here. Let's go green. For this third question, where is f of x less than or equal to 0? Well, less than or equal to doesn't change our fact what we're looking at. We're looking for the part of the graph that's below the x-axis. Well, if we, again, kind of highlight it here, we have 2 sections. We have this one, the way left side, and then we have this part in the middle, and we're asked where, so we're going to go ahead and put the interval of the x values. So the leftmost part, well, it goes from -infinity, again, you're reading left to right, all the way to -3. This time, though, because it's or equal to, and that is an x-intercept, that's a 0, -3, we're going to put a square bracket. And then we have another section, so we're going to put the u, and then this one starts at -1 and goes all the way to 3. And again, those are both x-intercepts, which means they're zeros, which means we include them when we say or equal to 0. Okay. So there's kind of the basics of polynomial inequalities. Again, greater than 0, above, less than 0, below the x-axis, and then parentheses if it's non-inclusive, square brackets if it is or equal to. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.